Hi, my name is Kirk Hamilton, your host of the Staying Healthy Today show. This is a show where we bring you key experts in the fields of nutrition, prevention, integrative and lifestyle medicine, review the medical literature, and review case studies. Today's show topic is a whole food, plant-based diet and lifestyle, the prescription for a healthy world and environment. I just got finished interviewing Dr. Colin Campbell. He has been in the scientific field for 60 years as a nutritional biochemist at Cornell. And I interviewed him on his new book, Whole, Rethinking the Science of Nutrition. And he's also the author of the China study along with his son. And the basic concept in the book, the reason he wrote it is that he feels that we have a reductionist approach to thinking about nutrition in medicine. For example, the single vitamin, the single nutrient won't work for treating chronic disease. Occasionally it'll bring about some results, but for chronic diseases, it's a whole food, plant-based lifestyle, rich in phytochemicals that allow the body to put this multitude of interactions together to promote health and healing. And there's documentation of whole food plant-based diets now that's getting to be almost overwhelming, supporting that it can reverse heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and much of the chronic illnesses that are plaguing our healthcare budgets. He goes back into his history of the China Project, which is the original study in the early 1980s. It was done with England and China, where they reviewed 6,500 people from 65 counties, and it was in rural China. And basically the gist of that study was that subtle amounts of animal food to increase risk. I'll say this, that when I was looking, you'll see the links below this YouTube, but I found some fabulous videos that are anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes long that take in account and review the sections of the China Project. It's really fascinating going back to rural China and seeing exactly what they did and what the Chinese diet was back in the early 1980s when the study was done. It's absolutely fascinating. So I would highly encourage you to go to the links below the YouTube and check that out. So Dr. Campbell is very active. He's lecturing all over the world. In fact, he was leaving for another lecture. He says people are very interested in this topic of plant-based nutrition. He said the biggest group that he's really excited about are medical professionals, doctors. They're very open to plant-based nutrition being utilized to treat chronic disease. And he notes that his son, Thomas, actually is heading a nutrition program at a medical school. He's very excited about that. And his other son, Nathan, has come up with the Plant Pure Nation concept and website and documentary that is very, very powerful, showing how in the state of Kentucky, when they had some legislation shot down to help educate them on plant-based nutrition, it was shot down by industry. So his life is full. He's in his 8th decade of life, and he continues to lecture all over the world, and the demand is there. And I think you'll really like the interview, and also the links below there will get you connected to many things that will help make the science and also the incorporation of plant-based nutrition much easier. My name is Kirk Hamilton. I'll talk to you soon. You have a fabulous day.